Hi guys, this is Car Guy UK. So today we're going to hardwire the Nextbase dashcam 422. I've already done a video on this and I'll leave the link above. That was just an unboxing and a quick review of the features. So yeah, we'll get to installing this, and also we've got the hardwire kit that we're going to need to be able to install it as well. What I'll do is I'll try and film as much as possible. It is quite a fiddly job, but by the end of the video I'm hoping it will give you some insight onto how I've managed to fit it. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so I'm just deciding whereabouts on the windscreen that I want to place the dash cam. Behind the rear view mirror is always a good place, but just be careful you don't block any sensors on the back. Mine has a sensor on the back. Okay, so now I've taken the sticky pad off and I'm now pushing firmly against the windscreen to make sure that it sticks. Just be quite firm, you don't want it to fall off. So yeah, that's a good place. And it's nice and firm, in a great position as well. Okay, so next you need to take the A-pillar off. I'm using a tool that you get with the Nextbase dashcam. Just be gentle and don't damage the A-pillar. You also don't want to set off the airbag that's behind it also, so just be quite gentle at this stage. But it's imperative that you take off the A-pillar if you want to run the cable down the side. You don't want to run the cable over the airbag, so that's why I've chosen to take it off. Next, I've taken the cover off the side of the glove box, which will give me good access to the fuse box. Again, just be gentle with these parts, you don't want to snap any plastic bits. Okay, and now you can see that the fuse box cover has also been taken off in the glove box, so that gives me access to the fuse that I want to use. Okay, so here is the fuse box. It's quite fiddly to get to, so just be careful. I'm going to use a switched fuse, so that means that the dashcam will only work when the ignition is turned on. And I'm going to use the power socket fuse, so you can see the picture of the fuse box and you can see exactly which fuse that I'm using. And there's the fuse installed, the power socket fuse, and the cable is now all hooked up. As you can see, the two red cables have been joined together, one end that comes from the fuse box and the other end that comes from the actual dashcam wire. And as you can see, the black cable that has now been earthed against a bolt onto the bare metal, so it forms a connection to make the dashcam work. Okay, so this is going to be the test of the install. So I've gone with a switched connection. So I need to hit the stop start button to see if the dash cam is working correctly. It should automatically turn on, so let's press the button. And as you can see, the dash cam has powered on and it started to record. So the install was a success. Okay, well, thanks for watching the video, and I hope it's shown you some insight on how to fit one yourself, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.